Program number 18. Write a Java program to implement the concept of exception handling using predefined exception. What is an exception? Why you need to handle an exception? First, that is important to understand. So, any program, if there is a problem in that program during the calculation or any operation, your program must run till the end. It should not stop abruptly in the middle of execution. That is the reason you need to handle such exceptions. To handle such exception, we have some predefined exceptions present, such as arithmetic exception. This exception can help you handle any problematic errors, and your program will not stop abruptly. It will run till the end, meanwhile telling you that some operation has raised an exception. So you should handle the exception, only then your program will execute till the end of the code. Else your program will stop abruptly and you will not be able to run your program completely. Consider this example. We have a class. How exception handling can be done? Here, important thing is we have something called as try and catch block. Every catch must have a try block. Okay, so any code which you think can create a problem for your program, you can put that code in a try block. Then any exception will be handled by the catch block. So every catch block will be having a try block. Any operations which might cause an error, which you think might cause an error, you can place those statements in the try block so that any error, it should be catched by a catch block so that your program runs till the end abruptly without stopping. Right? So in this example, we're trying to perform some mathematical operation. Int a is equal to 10, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 10, and x comma y. These are the variables. In the try block, we have x is equal to a, that is 10, divided by b minus c. So if there is any divide by 0 problem here, then it will be catched by the catch block and an error message will be displayed. So it is up to the user. If the user wants to display a custom message, user can display a custom message, or else we also have the default message by the handler. So if there is no error, then it should successfully print the value of y. If you observe the code here, we are not printing the value of x here. We are just checking if this statement has a problem, then it should catch the exception and display the message and continue to execute the other remaining statements in the program. That is the main intention of exception handling in a program. The main intention is we must be able to handle any exceptions raised in a program, and the program should continue to execute till the end without stopping abruptly in the middle or wherever an exception takes place. So you should put all the code in the try block, which can raise the exception. Every try block must have a catch block to handle the exception. Now let us run this program and check what is the output. So if you see the values here, there is no problem, there is no divide by zero error. Now let me change the value of C to 5. Now if you calculate here, B minus C is what? 0. So 10 divided by 0 will raise an exception, and it should be caught by this catch block. Then this message should be displayed. Also, it should display the result of this statement, that is y is equal to a divided by b plus c. Remember, it is an integer variable. Let us try to run this. As you can see, this statement throws an error, throws an exception. That exception is caught by the catch block and the message is displayed. Your program has not stopped running. Next, the other remaining statements in your program are executed. That is y is equal to 10 divided by 10 takes place. So the result will be printed in a normal way. So in this way, you can handle all the exceptions in a predefined handle. So similar to arithmetic exceptions, you have other exceptions as well. This program is just to demonstrate the exception handling using the predefined exception called arithmetic exception. So try to understand how the try catch block works. Just put the code which might raise an exception in the try block. Catch block needs an argument, that is the predefined exception handler. Here it is arithmetic exception. This can be anything. Here it is E, arithmetic exception E. So in this way, you can handle the exceptions. This example is exclusive for predefined exception. This was program number 18. You can also handle the exceptions in different way. This program is about predefined. We also have user defined exceptions, which we will see in the upcoming programs.